Hey, Jim Starwalt at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Star Home team, here today with Kevin Macdonald.
Hi, Jim. How you doing, buddy?
I'm doing good, Kevin. Hey, tell me, so how do you like the vibe here at the office?
In other words, why do I enjoy working here?
Yeah, exactly.
Love it, man. It's the family. It feels like family. I've been in the business for about 22 years now.
Oh, you're old.
I am very old. And I've
Experienced.
experienced.
Nice.
Worked at lots of companies, and this one just feels like home.
Well, I appreciate that. So what do you think sets us apart from other teams?
I think one of the things that sets us apart is the same thing that other companies strive to get, and that's the marketing and branding. You know, we are Better Homes and Gardens. That is a name that is known by everybody. And because of that, it just makes it easier to work with people because they trust us.
How do our team values align with yours?
I would say our team values actually have helped me to strive in my business, because the one thing I have the biggest problem with, and that is paperwork. And basically I go in, I talk to the people about selling their properties, and I can focus on selling the property versus all the paperwork involved, because we have great admins and they take care of all that.
Yeah, team members for transaction coordination, making sure everything gets done so you can concentrate on selling houses, not taking care of the details.
Yes, and as life happens, there's people in our office that will help you.
That's very good.
We all work together.
So in a couple of words, what do you think makes this such a great place to work and help your clients to sell real estate?
I think the camaraderie. You know, I mean, we all work together, we all brainstorm. If somebody's having problems selling a property, we figure it out, we sell it.
Very collaborative.
Yeah, absolutely.
So hey, thanks for joining me today, Kevin. Kevin Macdonald at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Give him a call.
Thank you.